Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm just going to be completely honest here. I don't love 19 USA baseball like I did 17 and 18. It's good, and really these players are still so young that these may become better and better as we start to see who pans out and who doesn't. But for now, I like the older years better. I bought this because I needed to get to a level to get free shipping, and I was close but not close enough, so I thought, what can I grab that's really affordable and put me over this free shipping level? And I saw this, and so I have it in my hand. 8 cards per pack, 5 packs per box, and you get at least 5 hits. In 17 and 18, Panini gave more bonus hits in those hobby boxes than they did 19, but it is still possible, I think. Although now I'm trying to think, I've opened, this is like my 3rd or 4th box of this, and I don't think I've pulled any bonus hits out of this stuff. I honestly can't remember. I open so much stuff, it's hard to know. Anyways, it's a lot like the other years. You can get parallels, you can get numbered parallels, you can get some insane patches out of here. Not seeing any crazy thick packs, which would indicate a sick patch, but you never know. So there's 3 thins and 2 fats. I'm gonna open, let's do thin first. All right, C.J. Abrams, Jake McCarthy, Yohandy Morales, Riley Green, Shea Langoliers, Ryan Spikes, a C.J. Abrams on-card rookie to $4.99, on-card autograph to $4.99, and a longevity parallel of Jake McCarthy. Matt Cronin, Joseph Brown, Ethan Hinkins, playing the flip the card game, Andre Palante, I guess, Brady House, Graham Stinson, a Bryson Stott, that's not bad, an auto jersey, green ink to $2.34. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Okay, cool. Morales longevity parallel. I have a box of 17 USA coming. I don't know if I'll post this before that or not, but you're going to see it soon. Jacob Metter, Graham Stinson, Anthony Sigler, Sammy Faltine, Josh Jung, a Riley Green longevity hollow parallel to 99. Rigo McIntosh, number 2 out of 10. That's a red ink, super short print. He's a young one, 15U national team. So still long ways to go for him. And Matt Cronin, longevity parallel. All right, we're to the 2 fat packs. Timmy Manning, Braden Schumacher, Kenyon Yovan, Tristan Casas, Jared Kelly, a team card, Daniel Cabrera, another jersey auto combo to $2.99 this time, sticker auto, and a Jared Kalenic longevity. That's nice. Wish it was the hollow version, but you get what you get. All right, last pack. Cale Lansville, Tanner Burns, Jared Kalenic, Bryson Stott, Rigo McIntosh, Bryson Stott, and a longevity C.J. Abrams, and international Chinese Taipei. Let's see if I can not butcher this. Haso or Sao Young Chin. Oh wow, this is numbered 5 out of 5. There, got it in the light right there. Nice, 5 out of 5. I love that. That's so cool. Really, really cool card. All right. Well, not bad. Not bad at all. A lot of fun to open this stuff regardless, whether it's as good or not as good as 17, 18. I mean, yeah, that's still to be determined, but still, it's a lot of fun to open. So make sure we got the right number of hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. 5 hits, no extras this time. Thanks for watching. Everybody take care. Love you guys. See you soon.